Get this little girl. Just woke up. Good morning.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Are you mad or are you happy? Yeah, hi. Good morning. Hi.
What are you saying there, girl?
Good morning.
Oh.
How you doing? Did you sleep good?
Did ya?
Did you sleep good? Yeah, hi. Hi. Hello. You talked to us this morning? Yeah, this is pretty common in the morning. Yeah, you're usually crying as soon as we walk in. Yeah. This is the greeting we get. Alright. Daddy gonna pick you up? Say hi. Good morning, Lily. Hi, Stinker. Good morning. Hi.
Hello. Here we go.
Aww.
Shh. Hey, what's this behind your ear?
It's a Banky. Like a magic trick. Good morning.